Good morning everyone. My name is Abhi. I am studying 5th grade at KB School. Today I am presenting on topic type of adjective. Quality. The number of kind, quality, a person, people, or things. Example: creative, delicious, exciting. Interrogative are used to ask questions. Those, why, where. Number. Adjective of number, the number of adjective, peoples, place or things. Demonstrative, show out or demonstrative, a person, peoples, shows. Quantity, a number of shows me or things is meat. Thank you.